Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we want to talk about our top 5 favorites of 2024 so far. So we're halfway through the year. A lot of people have been asking us, what are you guys using? Anything new? What do you guys have in your lineup? What's been most effective? And what are you guys continuing to use? So today we're going to give a recap of our top favorites of 2024. Some of them are new. Some of them we just started to use. Some of them we've been using for a while. We're going to break down why we like the products, what we use them for, and then also everything will be linked in the description so you guys can get the items for yourself. Trust me, every single one of these is going to save you time, save you money, and make your life a whole lot easier. So stick around till the end to see who got that #1 spot. So our first item on the list, we've talked about over and over. We've been using it for a few months now. The stuff is really holding up for the type of work that we do. We've enjoyed it quite a bit. There were some conflicting opinions on this product, but for us, it worked great. It's worked great from day one, and we've continued to use it. The only setback is we noticed with this item, it does not play well with others. The product we're talking about is Jimbo's Ceramic Coating Spray, formerly known as Hard as Shell. This product here has been holding it down on all of our maintenance detailing since it came out. We love this stuff. That's why we're affiliated with it. You see a lot of product testing out there. This works, this doesn't. Obviously, every detailer's style is different. Everybody's environmental factors are going to be different based on their region and the environment that they're working in, whether you're a shop, whether you're mobile. This has worked for us on both sides of the spectrum, shop and mobile, and it's held down on even the toughest vehicles that we do. For us, we can honestly say that this has been holding up equivalent to a 1-year ceramic coating. Actually, it has exceeded a lot of the 1-year ceramic coatings that we've actually installed in the past. So this item here is a huge time saver. We recommend using it on maintenance clients so you don't have to scrub as deep. It stays protected and it keeps a good amount of protection on your vehicle. This item is probably the most controversial of all of the items that we're going to talk about today. But for us, Jimbo's has held it down and we're happy with it. We test out a lot of SiO2 products over the years. We've tried a ton of them. We don't do any torture tests. We use them all in real world scenarios, and this stuff has claimed the top spot. If you're looking for a good, durable, high gloss ceramic coating spray, look no further. Go ahead and pick this up. I even have a coupon code, details. I'll link it in the description. Go get you some. You don't need to use a lot. We're on our 3rd bottle that we've had since this stuff has came out, and we still have a good amount. We're talking 1 spray, 2 sprays per panel. It just does a great job. I can't say enough about it. So Jimbo, keep it up. Great product. It's doing a fantastic job. We're loving it. Our next product is a product we tried making videos about in the past, and it's just not a very glamorous subject. It's not a subject we really care about too much, but this one impressed us so much that here we are talking about a soap. And the soap that I'm talking about is going to be no other than Kosh Chemi's Active Foam. This stuff here has changed my outlook on what a soap can do. This soap here is highly concentrated, 1.5 ounces for your foam cannon, and this thing will do some damage. It's actually in a good way. Shout out to Casey from Kosh Chemi. Came out, gave us the whole spill and the whole training on the lineup of Kosh Chemi products, how to use them, when to use them, how to pair them, the order of operations in order to get the best out of the product line. One of our biggest issues we were having was on some of our maintenance clients. We live in a very agricultural area, so we have a lot of farm trucks. And I told him, I said, we need something that's, the pH neutral ones aren't cutting it. The ones that are a little bit more alkaline are really not cutting it either. He said, you know what? This Active Foam will do wonders for you. Man, this stuff blew us away. Some of the vehicles that we would historically have to wash twice, maybe even a 3rd time with the detail spray going over for that final finish to make sure that we got everything out. This Active Foam here, not only does it have a wonderful fragrance, but this thing cuts through dirt and grime. I'm telling you, this stuff here, it works on another level. Obviously, you don't want to use this product in direct sunlight. You want to make sure your dwell time is being monitored, and you also want to make sure that your dilution ratio is right on par for what you need it for. But it's actually outperformed some of our touchless washes that we've used in the past. So if you know that a vehicle has been through a lot, maybe gone through Burning Man, maybe just got back from Burning Man, maybe went on a heavy road trip, maybe the vehicle just needs a heavy decon wash, this is probably going to be something that you're going to be reaching for. So number 4 on our top 5 of 2024 is Active Foam by Kosh Chemie. This one I'm in love with. This liter here actually has lasted us months. So some of you may think it's higher on the price point, but I'll tell you what, this 1 liter has outlasted gallons that I've used in the past. So great product, great price point, great effective results. Go check it out. Active Foam by Kosh Chemie. So product number 3 on our top 5 is going to be another hitter from Kosh Chemie. This product here I was very excited to use. A lot of people weren't talking about it. When it comes to trim, I'm one of those people who wants my trim to actually richen up, darken, get a little deeply saturated, and to actually last. Besides the lithium ceramic cubes and solution finish, we really didn't have anything in our lineup that was really bringing everything back, no matter what type of texture that the exterior plastic had. There wasn't anything that really had a deep absorbency. I do love Carbon Collective Nuovo for some exterior trims, but that's primarily used for my interior detailing. The exterior, I was always having difficulties with. The solution finish could be messy. The lithium cubes, obviously, those are a one-time use. And both of those products, they're expensive cost per ounce that you're getting. So I'm always on the lookout for any kind of specialty product that's gonna help me with trim, to help restore, to help repel water, to actually preserve, to keep that trim on point at all times. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about Plastar. So this is a silicone-free exterior dressing that's actually meant for maintenance, but the restoring capabilities of this are no joke either. I've used this on a lot of maintenance clients that we've even previously ceramic coated their plastics and it didn't quite last. Using this stuff here, it not only gives it a little bit of water repellency, it really brings that dark, rich color back without leaving an oily, greasy finish. It has water repellency and it's easy to maintain. You literally just put it on an applicator pad, wipe it on, buff it out, and you're good to go. Super easy to use. As far as price-wise, it is a little bit expensive, but this bottle will last you. I may be 1/3 through the bottle, and we've probably used this on about 15, 20 cars on trims here and there. I'm blown away by the way this absorbs into plastics, all plastic types. Some of the trim restorers that I've used in the past, we all know that they get rejected depending on the texture and the type of plastic and molding that you're trying to apply it to. This stuff here pretty much absorbs into all of them. I haven't had any issues with anything. Even that stubborn trim that's around the windows that tends to get burnt out really quickly, especially like on Hondas and Toyotas. This stuff restores in a flash and with ease. So this one here has been a solution. Just like Gummy Fix, this here has been a solution that I don't want to go without anymore on my exteriors. So if you guys are looking for a good exterior trim solution, definitely check out Plastar by Kosh Chemie. And this stuff is silicone free, so it's not oily, greasy. You're not gonna have all the issues that you have with silicone products. Like the rest of the items, it'll be linked in the description, but definitely go check it out. Kosh Chemie continues to make solutions that we need in our industry. So thank you again, Kosh Chemie. Thank you, Casey, for really breaking down when and how to use this stuff, because it has been a lifesaver and it's really taking our detailing to another level. So my next item I'm extremely passionate about because I've tried them all, and I'm gonna tell you again, this is the best, hands down. All the other ones are knockoffs of this guy here. So this item saves us time, it saves us money. It is durable. It holds it down when you need it to. It's unparalleled, unmatched. All the other ones that other people are talking about are just, in this category, we've used every one that everybody claims is the best, and it doesn't even come 60% to the capabilities of this one here. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it is the Clean Korea drying towel. Whether it's the Evo edition or it's the drying duo, it doesn't matter. These towels kick the ass of any other towel on the market, period. So stop lying. Other brands out there saying they have the Korean towels, this and that. Just know they're knockoffs. Just know they're not going to perform the same. If you guys think that you guys have the best, try it out. Give me your feedback. And if it's not the best, let's hear what is. Because honestly, this one, undefeated. Anybody that knows anything about towels, anybody that's gone to a deeper level, doing any kind of research on towels, will tell you that this is the best, hands down. Like, it's the best. There's nothing out there that even comes close. There's nothing even in the same ballpark. So I don't even want to hear your guys' comments on this one, because we've tried them all. We've tried, you name the brand, we've tried them, and we've thrown them all away. We use them to mop up the shop floors, all those other towels. That's how much, and those towels are not cheap towels that we're using to mop up our shop floors, but they're great for that. But when it comes to saving time, when it comes to durability, when it comes to lasting quality and consistency, this beats them all out. So these bad boys are exclusively sold through Scott at Detail Division. So if you're looking for a high quality towel, you need something that's reliable, you need something that's gonna last. Thank you, Detail Division. Thank you, Clean Korea, for always providing the best of the best quality and durability and longevity when it comes to towels. And actually, we'll just say Clean Korea towels, period, for our number 2. All of them. We've switched over to all Clean Korea towels, and we couldn't be happier. We're getting better results and better durability, even out of our grimy towels. We've switched over to Clean Korea with everything, and it makes our lives so much easier, and it has made a big difference on our quality. We thought our quality was good, but once you get to a certain level in your detailing game, now it's about the products that you can use to get the peak performance, and that's exactly what the Clean Korea towels do. Our top spot goes to the one and only BioBombs. Whether it's the BioBomb Minis, the vehicle deodorization kit, or the air fresheners, these things are killer. Get rid of your ozones, get rid of your other treatments, get rid of all that stuff that just covers up the odors, and really get to the point. Knock it out the park with BioBombs. I'm telling you, you want to make your life easy. Keep these in your shop or your mobile rigs. When something comes across your way that you cannot fix, as far as odor, deodorizing, funk, we've used these from poultry spills in cars to fish to rotting milk to shrimp, you name it. Stale old car that's been sitting for a while, cigarettes, it gets rid of them all. Whether you're using it in your steamer, whether you're dropping it into a spray bottle with distilled water, whether you're putting it in your favorite APC, or you're just dropping in the deodorization kit and letting it do its thing for a few hours. Either way, these are going to be your best friend as a detailer. These guys here, drop them in your steamer. There's multiple ways to use them, guys. BioBombs is killing the game. If you guys haven't used BioBombs, you guys are sleeping heavily on this. There's not very many things that we're affiliated with, but BioBombs is one that we can actually stand by. All these items that we're talking about today, guys, are items that we use and items that we stand by. We're not here to sell you anything. We're not here to play any games with you. We want you to get the best results in the fastest times. We want you guys to make the most money. We want you guys to do well in your business. These products here that we're showcasing are going to do that. They're not only going to save you time, they're going to get the job done right the first time. They're going to ensure your customer satisfaction, and they're going to help you make money faster, guys. So BioBombs, definitely one of those things you don't want to sleep on any further. We have a link in the description below. Use coupon code DETAILS, save a little cash. I can't imagine going back to the days where I didn't have BioBombs in my lineup. Well, that wraps up our top 5 of 2024 so far. We hope you guys got some value out of this video, because every product that we use in this video has brought major value to our business. So drop a comment on any of these products if you guys have used them, what you guys think about them, and how they're doing for you in your business. Every item is linked in the description below. Go check them out. And with all opinions aside, all of the guys that have introduced us to all of these products, whether that's the owner, the representative, the developer, whatever, manufacturer, distributor, they're all great guys. It makes us feel good that we're not only supporting some of the best products in the industry, but we're also supporting some of the best people in the industry. So I want to give a shout out to all of you guys out there who continue to strive to make the best products for our industry, not just out there trying to make another buck, putting out another clone item. In all the products we use, we have a direct relationship with the brand, which also brings in another aspect of the business that a lot of people are not talking about, and that's accountability. So there's a lot of trust that's involved. We're not going to put something out there that's not going to help you guys and something that's not going to help the industry. So again, thank you guys for your support. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.